Good morning, kindergarten friends and parents. My name's Mrs. Burnside, and I am the reading teacher at Francis Willard Elementary for kindergarten first and second, but for virtual learning, I will be working specifically with all of the kindergarten students. It was so great to meet some of you yesterday for our materials distribution outside of the school. I loved seeing your faces and meeting most of you. Just a reminder, if you did not make it to materials distribution, you will be able to stop by the school this week from 8 to 3, and Mr. Budd, our principal, or our maintenance men, Mr. John and Mr. Dave, will be there to help you with whatever you need. I'm excited to work with you virtually this year. I will be teaching you from our Wilson Foundations program. You can see some of the posters up there behind me. This is a program that we use when you will be back in the classroom as well, and it is something that will be taught either by me in small group, or your classroom teacher, or me and your classroom teacher co-teaching. So this is going to teach you all of your letter names, all of your letter sounds, how to write all of those letters, and then eventually be able to put those letters and sounds together to make words and become readers. Please let me know if any of you have any questions. My email address is located on my Google Classroom in the very first post that I made. And we are going to be doing sessions every day. I am probably going to record the actual lesson and I will post it on your on my Google Classroom. Excuse me. And you will be able to view it. You and your child will be able to view it whenever you would like. But I would also like to have a few live Google Meet sessions throughout the week. Just very short, 10-15 minute sessions every couple of days, just to check in with you and your students, and also to do a little bit of review of some of the things that we have learned. We probably won't have a live session until next week, when more of our academic learning will begin, but I will definitely give you advanced time in knowing when those will be. Again, later today, I'm probably going to also post story time. I'm going to try throughout the week to be reading lots of stories, whether it be from some of the books I have on my nice bookshelf behind me, or sometimes I might use some digital books, and you'll be able to see the pages right on the screen along with my face, hopefully. So I hope this video worked well for you. This is my first one, and I will be asking to make sure that you can see me okay, hear me okay. So please leave a comment if the video does not work correctly for you. And I hope everyone has a great day. Stay calm. I know it's hard working on the computer, especially for a 5-year-old, but we're going to make it as fun as can be. Okay? Can't wait to see you again soon, and have a great day.